Meanwhile, Curacao has become the smallest country to ever qualify for the FIFA World Cup. With a population of just over 150,000, Curacao have beaten the record set by Iceland in 2018. The 0-0 draw with Jamaica was what they needed to help them secure their unique piece of football history.
I'm emotional. We worked so hard. We did so many things right. And we learned from so many moments, but this is what you do it for. This is it. Ultimate present.
I mean, it was possible. We won from Jamaica in the home game. I think we had a good qualification this period, and I think we broadcast our qualities. And look today, man, we're going to the World Cup, so we're going to party, enjoy this time, and we be there next year.
I told you we would win. We would qualify for the World Cup. Mexico, here Curacao comes. It all takes a vision, a dream, belief in the dream, and acting towards that dream.